Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing some brassicas. So I have bought some cabbages, cauliflowers and broccoli. So that's the first variety of cabbage that I'm going to sow, which I sowed last year, and the plants are still out. It's been a year, not a year. I sowed them in July last year and still they haven't got any heads yet, so they're still alive. I'll just wait. That's cabbage primo 2 golden acre. So basically just sow them in this container. And then I have this variety called Brussels sprout. I don't know what variety it is, it just says Brussels sprout. And then I have a separate in the middle because I don't want so many plants of that. I have the other plant called broccoli, and this is purple sprouting broccoli. So it's separated, so I don't want many of that either. And then I have a cauliflower, as you can see. So I just found out that I had one more cabbage variety called Savoy cabbage. So just divide that container so that I can have two different cabbage varieties. That's from that packet: Savoy cabbage, purple sprouting broccoli, cauliflower and Brussels sprout, and that cabbage there called Primo golden acre. So I'm going to sow them.